Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're diving into an incredible piece of technology you won't want to miss. Imagine stepping into a cinematic world right in your living room, with sound that envelopes you, making every movie night or gaming session an unforgettable experience. This is exactly what the Samsung Q-Series Soundbar, HW-Q600F, promises to deliver. With its cutting-edge technology and sleek design, it's about to change the way you enjoy your entertainment. Let's take a closer look at what makes this soundbar truly special. First off, one of the standout features of the Samsung Q-Series soundbar is its AI sound optimization with Q-Symphony. This innovative technology synchronizes your compatible Samsung TV speakers with the soundbar, creating a wider and more seamless soundstage. But that's not all. It also comes with adaptive sound, which optimizes audio in real time for each scene, ensuring crystal clear dialogue and detailed effects. This means you get to enjoy perfectly harmonized audio that draws you into the action on screen. Whether you're watching a blockbuster movie or your favorite TV show, the Q-Symphony technology elevates your viewing experience to a whole new level. Another key feature that's sure to impress is the true 3.1.2 ch Dolby Atmos surround sound. This soundbar delivers captivating overhead audio with its true 3.1.2 channel system, complete with two up-firing channels and a dedicated wireless subwoofer. With support for Dolby Atmos and DTS Virtual X, you get immersive, multi-dimensional sound that simulates the cinematic experience right in your home. Imagine the thrill of feeling like you're right in the middle of the action, with sounds coming from all directions. This is what the Samsung Q-Series soundbar offers, making it a must-have for anyone who loves movies or gaming. But what really sets this soundbar apart is its Game Pro mode. Designed specifically for competitive gamers, this mode automatically optimizes the soundbar settings when a game console is detected, delivering dynamic 3D sound that lets you pinpoint precise in-game directions and actions. This means you can react faster, play smarter, and stay ahead of the competition. Whether you're into FPS games, sports games, or strategy games, the Game Pro mode gives you the edge you need to take your gaming to the next level. Now, let's talk about setup and control. The Samsung Q-Series soundbar makes it easy to get started with effortless connectivity via HDMI eARC or wireless Bluetooth TV connection. And with the One Remote Control feature, you can control the soundbar's key functions directly with your existing Samsung TV remote. This means you can streamline your entertainment setup and enjoy a clutter-free living room. Plus, with SpaceFit Sound calibration, the soundbar analyzes your room's acoustics and automatically calibrates the audio for optimal clarity, so you can enjoy perfectly tuned sound without any hassle. In conclusion, the Samsung Q-Series soundbar, HW-Q600F, is an incredible piece of technology that's designed to elevate your entertainment experience. With its AI sound optimization, true 3.1.2 ch Dolby Atmos surround sound, Game Pro mode, and effortless setup and control, it's the perfect addition to any home theater or gaming setup. So why wait? Find the link in the description below to get your hands on this amazing soundbar and discover a whole new world of immersive sound. Trust me, once you experience it, you'll never go back to ordinary sound again. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next video.